Some days you just need a cocktail. Well, my name is Roger Kaiserling of keywebco.com. Many years ago, I used to be a bartender, and I really enjoyed it. But whenever I didn't know how to make something, I always used the Boston's Bar Guide. I have made an app called Recipes for You. Included in the Recipes for You app is a PDF of the Boston's Bar Guide, so it's a great reference. Beyond just making fantastic cocktails, the Recipes for You app has many links, tips, everything you could need to know about cooking. I hope you enjoy the Recipes for You app, which link will be included along with this podcast or video. Have a wonderful day, and I look forward to you enjoying our app. 100% totally free.